Hi students, as you are learning AutoCAD Civil 3D, but we must need to know some basic design before working on any real-time project. So I will discuss on some parts you will see in the next some videos. For this video, I select road alignments. What are the basic of alignments and how can we use, and what are the principle to use alignments in design for roads? We will share in this video. It is actually we have horizontal transition curves on road and vertical alignment on road. These are two main components. Horizontal transition curve. Transition curve view now is the curve of constantly changing radius. So if you want to calculate the radius of any curve, then you can use these equations. When a vehicle enters a curve of radius r at tangent t, an additional centrifugal forces P act on the vehicle as shown. You can see here. So these little things will consider when you are designing horizontal and vertical curves in Civil 3D. Super elevation will be considered also. For specific speed, you can follow these rules. What is minimum radius? It should be based on centrifugal ratio. I will put these slides in the description link. You can download and enjoy. Here are some equations which you can use and which will get you basic idea and clear your concept about radius, vertical curves and horizontal curves. What will the length of transition curve? It will also consider vertical alignment. The principal aim in road design is to ensure that the driver is able to perceive any possible road hazard. So you must need to consider sight distance, which we also use in Civil 3D during road design. What is the driver capability and what is the constants which we assume for passenger car, commercial vehicle. It is about the height. What will the stopping distance? You can see here, stopping sight distance is the distance to enable a normally alert driver traveling at the design speed on wet pavement. So reaction time will be calculated after sight distance. Longitudinal declarations. You can see these. Every equation will be considered. Headlight sight distance, vertical curves. A general limit of 120 meter to 150 meter sight distance is all that can be safely assumed for visibility of any object on bitumen. So you can study these all slides to clear your concept for vertical and horizontal curves in road designing.